Hey, my crypto family. Hope everyone is doing well today. As you guys know, my name is Candice. I started learning about crypto in 2018. Invested about $10,000, gained about 60,000, lost over 250,000. Yes, I said 250,000. Um, and that's my crypto story. Before we start, I want to share a quote with you. I love quotes. And today's quote is: if you're brave enough to start, you're strong enough to finish. That quote resonates with me. Crypto family, always finish what you started, or else you will never know what you're good or bad at. Don't forget, Miami NFT Week is next week from April 1st to the 3rd, and our very own Eric Coffey will be speaking at that event. Make sure to like and subscribe. This will help us to continue to educate the public. This is not financial advice, guys. Make sure you do your own research. Today, I will be discussing crypto made easy. We're gonna get familiar with some crypto terms, okay? So we're gonna start off with cryptocurrency, which is a tradable digital asset or digital form of money built on a blockchain and was designed to be used over the internet. Think of it kind of like PayPal, but more technical. Blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in a digital format. For those of you who aren't a part of this crypto world, guys, it's time to hop on the train, okay? Before it's too late. I'm gonna start you guys off with Coinbase. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing your digital currency. It is super user friendly. Even your grandmother can use it, okay? I wish every single coin and NFT were listed there. Hint, hint, Coinbase. I think it's time. So, a technique that I use on Coinbase when I am invested is researching and then buying coins that is under $1. Also, you can take some super easy quiz on Coinbase to gain free coins. Let's go on over to Coinbase. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Also, please leave a message. Let us know what you would like us to cover. Don't forget, Miami NFT Week is next week from April 1st to the 3rd, and Eric Coffey will be speaking at that event. Okay, let's get on over to Coinbase. So this is Coinbase. I am logged in already. However, if you're signing up, as I said, it's super easy. So just have to follow. You just have to follow the instructions. It's very easy. Okay. So let me move my screen over here. Okay. So anything. So this is Coinbase, and what we're going to be doing here is, so this is assets. This is the assets here. You have trade, you have pay for you, learn and earn, notifications. So you get the wallet, invite friends, and send a gift. So we're gonna start off with assets, okay? The assets is gonna tell you your portfolio balance here. This is one of my account that I use to for educational purposes. So this right now is my portfolio balance. I have currently in my portfolio I own Shiba and some Gwen. Okay, so this is where you can find your assets, and then here is trade, where you can go and trade on the coins that you're interested in. It's lagging a little bit, so give me a second. Okay, we're up. Okay, so you can find the different coins here that you're interested in. For assets, if you look here, right here, in this drop down, you can find all assets. All assets is coins that you can find on Coinbase, and some it's not listed on Coinbase. But if you hit the drop down menu, you can see the watch list. At the watch list, you can create a watch list of coins that you want to follow, and then you have tradable assets. So now the tradable assets is all the tradable coins that's listed on Coinbase, okay? So you can find the tradable assets. So this is what I use. So I usually scroll down the list, right? And I see what coins that I can get for $1. For or less than $1. Once I go to that coin, I go and I do some research on the coin. And the super thing about Coinbase, it allows you to read the overview, and also it gives you access to the website as well, where you can go and learn more. So For Dogecoin now, you have the overview. If you scroll down, you'll see the overview. And so the overview for Dogecoin is for most of its existence, Dogecoin was considered to be an amusing meme coin beloved by its community, but with relatively little value. That changed in 2021 when Doge became one of the larger cryptocurrencies by market cap, with a total value that has topped $50 billion, even though each individual coin is worth pennies. Okay, so and also here, like I told you, you could also get more information by visiting the official website. Okay, so if I see that this is a coin that I'm interested in, I will go and I'll press buy Dogecoin. So you can buy, oh well, before you press buy, you want to enter your value here. You could put in like $50. You enter the value, and once you're set up, it's gonna be linked to your bank account and everything else. So you'll have an option to preview the buy. So you can preview the buy before you actually buy now, and so you'll pay what your this is my account here, my bank account. They're gonna have this, the price of the token, the current price of the token, your purchase price, the fee, and then the total, and then you buy now. Okay, I'm not gonna buy this now because I own some in another portfolio, so I'm not gonna buy some now. But as I said, this is just super easy. So that's one way that I go to search my coins. Again, let's go back to trade. Um, so you go to all assets. So all assets is coins found on and off of Coinbase watch list. You can create a watch list item of the coins you want to watch. Tradable assets, this is all the coins that's going to be tradable on Coinbase, and this is the list I actually use to go and search for my coins underneath a dollar. Here you have top gainers. Gainers are all the coins that's gaining for today. So next thing you want to do is you want to go on. So we have this krill, they made 153% today, right? So you go on the coin, you can click on the coin, and um you can watch so you have the overview, as I said before, and the white paper. You can see the white paper and the official website, where you can visit the official website to see like any news, like why is krill up to date. Is it because they just collaborated with another company? Or so usually when you see that they have such a high percentage, or they're gaining for the day, is usually because something good is coming out. um yeah, usually. So yeah, and then you have top gainers, the same thing. You can go on the trade, go to top losers, and then these are all the coins that's losing for the day. And sometimes you want to go and see why the coin isn't doing well today. So you could also go visit the official website to see what's going on with the coin. And then back to our left hand side, we have pay. So pay, here you can send and receive money. Kind of like what I was telling you, is kind of like PayPal. So you can send and receive. You can send money using your wallet here, and so you click there, you select what you want, and then how much you want to send, $50, and to whom you're sending it to. You have to paste the person's address in here, and then you continue and follow the instructions. Like I said, this is super easy. Okay, and then for you. So for you now is the news of what's highlighting today. So today we have March 23rd, Will Smith, the weekend back NFT. So Will Smith, the weekend back NFT metaverse land investor every realm. So you have, so you can find out what's going on here in the news. So that will be for you. And then learn and earn is what I was telling you earlier, that you can learn about these coins. So you can go here and do the little quiz, and where you can gain money there. So it will tell you here, AMP is an Ethereum token that can be used as collateral to provide instant settlement assurance anytime value is transferred. And, then you could just click here, take the quiz, and so it's what we heard. It was a security or collateral token. So whatever you got from that information, that's what you're going to put in there. Okay. And And so that's the learn and earn. And then for the notifications, usually it will tell you like what coin is doing, going up, down, the alerts on your coins here, especially if you did created something in your watch list. If you put something in your watch list, so that's what you'll get these alerts on. And then you can get the wallet. Coinbase has a wallet, so you can do the extension and add that to your Coinbase. And then you could invite friends here with $10 using an invitation code. Once you sign up, you enter the person's email address and then you send the invite. And then if this person is interested in it, they use this link to sign up, and you and the person both can get $10. Also, you can just send a gift here to a friend or family. So, yeah. I think that's it for Coinbase for today. So, as I said, guys, thank you again for your time. Um, get on this train. It's still early and you don't want to be left behind. So, get on the train. Um, make sure you like, subscribe, and as I said, do your own research, okay? Have a great day, guys. Bye.